Hello everyone. Today's I am discuss real estate crowdfunding platform. Real estate crowdfunding, also known as property crowdfunding, is a way to raise money for real estate investment by reaching out to a group of investors and asking them to give a small amount of money to a project. An online crowdfunding platform is used to help people raise money. See the list. To get money to start or improve a real estate project, one person joins a platform. The best crowdfunding platforms for real estate. 1. CityVest. CityVest gives accredited investors a chance to invest in institutional real estate deals with investment minimums starting at just $25,000, instead of the usual 6. Advantages of CityVest. 1. Access to institutional capital with a strong track record. 2. A lot of money is made. 3. A lot of careful checking of investment opportunities. 4. All funds must be checked by a third party. To look at investment opportunities, you don't need to register. 5. Distributions are made every 3 months. Disadvantage of CityVest. 1. Only available to people who have money. 2. No one can choose how their money is invested. 2. Arrived Homes. Arrived Homes is one of the Internet's newest and fastest-growing crowdfunding platforms, with an increasing number of users. The company lets people who aren't rich buy shares in rental properties that have been carefully chosen. Advantages of Arrived Homes. 1. As little as $100 can buy you in. 2. Open to people who aren't rich. 3. People can buy a share of real estate, and all the tax benefits. 4. Multiple ways to make money, rental income and property appreciation. 5. Great way to spread out your investments. 6. I'm interested in self-directed retirement accounts, IRAs. Disadvantage of Arrived Homes. 1. Long hold times. 2. There isn't a secondary market to sell shares. 3. CrowdStreet. Commercial real estate marketplace. CrowdStreet is the largest and most diverse marketplace for commercial real estate. An experienced, accredited investor who likes to choose the properties he or she wants to invest in on his or her own is good for this. Advantages of CrowdStreet. 1. An easy-to-use interface. 2. Diverse options for investing. 3. Great resources for investors. 4. A history of good results. 5. Many products and services can be used in a self-directed IRA. Disadvantage of CrowdStreet. 1. A group of people who have money to invest is 2. The only ones who are 3. Most of the time, there is a $25,000 minimum investment. 4. Ground floor. Ground floor allows non-accredited investors to participate in crowdfunding by lending to real estate investors and home builders. They also have the lowest minimum investment crowdfunding option, which lets people start with as little as $10. Advantages of ground floor. 1. They charge the lowest minimums in the business and no fees for investors. 2. Open to people who aren't rich. Disadvantages of ground floor. 1. There is no bankruptcy protection. 2. This means there is a lot of a default that hasn't been fixed. 3. Many loans go to states that only have courts. 5. Streetwise. Streetwise has a private right called First Street Office, Inc. that allows both accredited and non-accredited investors to get a piece of its commercial real estate portfolio. When it comes to private rights, the company charges very little in fees. It also has one of the highest dividend yields in the industry at more than 8%. Advantages of Streetwise. 1. The dividends are always the same. 2. Low and clear fees. 3. Low investment is required. 4. Useful and simple to use. Disadvantage of Streetwise. 1. People have to choose from very few things. More details for click on the below link. And like, share, and subscribe to the video. Thank you for watching.